For centuries, the future was a distant horizon. Something we dreamed about but could barely touch. A place where mind and machine merge, where humanity reaches for the stars, and the secrets of life itself are finally unlocked. By 2030, those dreams won't be fiction anymore. They'll be our new reality. Welcome to a journey through the incredible breakthroughs shaping tomorrow. 10 future technologies that will change everything you know. Are you ready to see the future? Because it's arriving faster than you think. One, living rooms of the future, controlled by thought alone. Imagine controlling your living room with just your thoughts. By 2030, brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, will make this a reality. These devices read your brain's electrical signals and turn them into commands. No buttons, no voice, just pure thought. From headbands to wearable tattoos, BCIs will control your lights, music, games, and even smart home systems instantly. AI learns your brain patterns, adapting to your intentions in milliseconds. Gamers will dive into worlds without controllers. Meditation apps will tune into your emotions in real time. Most importantly, BCIs will empower those with mobility challenges like never before. In just a few years, BCIs won't be futuristic gadgets, they'll be as common as smartphones. Your thoughts will shape your world, literally. 2. Unlocking lost memories, the brain implant revolution. Imagine a world where lost memories are no longer gone forever. By 2030, advanced brain implants will mimic damaged areas of the brain, like the hippocampus, restoring memories lost to Alzheimer's, strokes, or injuries. These tiny devices will act like bridges, reconnecting broken signals and unlocking the mind's hidden stories. This breakthrough marks the first step toward full brain augmentation, where technology and biology merge to enhance human potential like never before. The future of memory is here. And it's just the beginning. 3. Touchdown on Mars, the human arrival. For centuries, Mars was just a distant dream, a cold red dot in our night sky. But by 2030, that dream becomes reality. SpaceX's Starship will break the silence of space, carrying humanity to the Martian surface. Boots will press into rusty red dust. Flags will rise under alien skies. Robots and 3D printers will build habitats, and reactors will make fuel for the journey home. This isn't just a mission to visit, it's the dawn of a new frontier. Mars will no longer be a myth or a poster on a wall. It will be a world with real footsteps and real futures. The first human landing on Mars marks humanity's next giant leap. 4. The rise of emotionally intelligent machines. By 2030, AI won't just respond, it'll connect. Breakthroughs in natural language processing, deep learning, and even quantum computing are blurring the line between human and machine. We're talking about AI that truly understands nuance, tone, even emotion. Virtual companions who listen. Therapists who empathize. NPCs in games so real, you'll forget their code. And for the first time, we might see AI pass the legendary Turing test, not in labs, but in our everyday lives. Welcome to a future where machines don't just think, they feel human. 5. Bioprinting, how 3D printed organs will transform medicine. Imagine a world where organ waiting lists are a thing of the past. Where printers don't produce paper, but life. By 2030, the future of medicine will hum quietly in labs, where 3D bioprinters stack living cells like bricks, building tissues, blood vessels, and full, functioning organs. The process starts with a digital blueprint, mapped from the patient's own body. Then, using a gel-like substance called bioink, printers recreate the intricate architecture of human tissue with stunning precision. First came skin grafts, then blood vessels. Now, scientists are closing in on the holy grail, hearts, livers, and kidneys, printed from your own DNA, reducing rejection, eliminating donor shortages, and rewriting the rules of survival. Hospitals may soon house organ farms, where damaged tissues are replaced like parts in a machine, tailored for each individual. And it's not science fiction anymore. Clinical trials have already begun. A child born today could live in a world where failing organs are just a print job away. This isn't just innovation. It's regeneration, layer by miraculous layer. 6. A billion genomes, the DNA revolution begins. By 2035, humanity will cross a staggering threshold. Over 1 billion human genomes, decoded, digitized, and stored. That's not just data. It's the blueprint of life, 1 billion unique maps of who we are and what we might become. Thanks to cheaper sequencing technologies and global health initiatives, your entire genome could be read in under an hour for the cost of a dinner. But reading DNA is only half the story. The real revolution begins when AI steps in. Massive machine learning models, trained on this ocean of genetic data, will begin to uncover the deepest biological mysteries. Why some people resist diseases that devastate others. How our genes shape personality, memory, and even intelligence. And how subtle mutations can predict cancer before it begins. For medicine, this means true personalization. Not one-size-fits-all treatments, but therapies tailored to your unique DNA, your risk factors, your biology, your future. Doctors may no longer just treat illness, they'll prevent it before symptoms ever show. 7. Quantum computers just hit 1 million qubits. Deep inside freezing chambers, IBM and Google race to build the world's first million-qubit quantum computer by 2035. Why a million qubits? Because quantum computers solve problems not step by step, but all at once. They'll revolutionize medicine, finance, and encryption, simulating molecules, discovering drugs, cracking codes. And you won't need to own one. Quantum power will be rented from the cloud, like streaming a movie. At the same time, over 1 billion human genomes will be sequenced. AI will decode this vast genetic data, challenging what we know about health, identity, and humanity itself. The future is quantum, and it's rewriting life's blueprint at the speed of thought. 8. Hypersonic missiles, the future of war is supersonic. They move at over Mach 5, more than 6,000 kilometers per hour. Too fast to intercept. Too unpredictable to track. And by 2030, every major military will have them. Hypersonic missiles are redefining warfare. They don't follow a simple arc like traditional ballistic missiles. They glide, they maneuver, and they leave no time to react. Today's defense systems? Mostly obsolete against them. From the US and China to Russia and India, nations are pouring billions into hypersonic research, not just to defend, but to strike first. They can reach any point on Earth in minutes. Armed with conventional or even nuclear payloads, they're not just faster weapons. They're geopolitical game changers. In the 21st century, speed kills. And whoever controls hypersonics may control the battlefield. The arms race isn't coming. It's already moving faster than sound. 9. Artificial trees, cleaning our air at scale. Imagine trees, but smarter. Artificial trees that don't just stand still, they actively suck carbon dioxide straight from the air. By 2030, carbon capture technology will go global, scaling up from small pilots to massive installations. These engineered giants pull CO2, the greenhouse gas driving climate change, and lock it away deep underground, or turn it into useful materials like concrete, fuels, and plastics. It's like nature's recycling system, but on steroids. Carbon capture won't replace renewable energy, but it's a crucial weapon in the fight to cool our planet. If we can capture enough CO2, we might not only slow climate change, but reverse it. The air we breathe could become cleaner, and the carbon choking our planet could become the building blocks of the future. Artificial trees are rising. And they just might save the world. 10. The ocean floor revealed, humanity's last great exploration. We've explored distant planets, but our own oceans remain largely a mystery. Did you know we know more about Mars than the vast ocean floor beneath us? That's about to change. By 2030, the ambitious Seabed 2030 project will have mapped the entire ocean floor in unprecedented detail. This global effort uses advanced sonar, underwater drones, and AI to uncover hidden mountain ranges, deep trenches, and forgotten shipwrecks. Mapping the seabed means unlocking resources like minerals and energy, but it also means understanding ocean currents, marine ecosystems, and the Earth's climate system better than ever before. The ocean's secrets, some millions of years old, are finally coming into focus. The last great frontier on Earth is no longer out of reach. By 2030, the ocean floor will no longer be a mystery. It will be our new frontier. The future is no longer a distant dream, it's unfolding right before our eyes. From thought-controlled living rooms to humans setting foot on Mars. From healing memories lost to unlocking the secrets of our DNA. From quantum leaps in computing to weapons that move faster than sound. From artificial trees cleaning our air to mapping the last great frontier beneath the waves. These are more than inventions. They are the building blocks of a new world. 10 future technologies that will shape our tomorrow and change the story of humanity forever. The question is, will you be ready to step into the future? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more mind-blowing journeys into tomorrow.